Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to make the cable car in Heartopia without using clips like this. You can see the incredible cable card. And to make this cable card like this, hanging on the air like this, first make sure you already have the cable car set like this. And you can get it as a reward from the Winter Frost catalog. And then next, let's build the structure for the cable with this pillar like this. First, just use wall, for example like this, and then just arrange them like this, and then you can adjust the height however you like. For example, I want to make like this, and then for the other sides I'm going to use the low wall. For example, I want to place it on here, and then just drag it upward until the height matches the first side, and then just add floor on here like this, and then just tap like this, and then I will just delete unnecessary part and leave only the top sections like this, and then I will add a pillars. I want to add a pillars on here, and then next just use a metal wall sculpture, and then place it like this. Place it on the inside of the wall like this, and then stretch it from one side to other like this. Like this. And then next just add another wall between the two sides. For example on here. Like this, and then just add floor. For example on here. Like this. And then just expand the floor about this size. For example like this. And after that just place the cable car. But first just delete the wall. Then place the cable car. Adjust the positions and make sure there's exactly one floor tile right under the cable car, just like this. And then after that just hit all the other floors and leave that single floor tile. And that's it, your cable car is done. You can also adjust the color of the pillars, the two pillars, to match your build. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you.